about the US market, it was kind of a mixed rate coming in for the benchmark indices, wherein Dow Jones did end the day in the green with a mere 30 points of gain. But other than that, there was a fall in the tech-heavy Nasdaq, which declined over 1%. And key to note is actually the fall that we have seen in some of the counters there. Other than that, what we have seen is that Trump's commentary, because day in and day out, that's the crucial one to watch out for. And the latest that we get is Trump saying that the tariffs actually on the US and Mexico are going ahead as planned, and they are moving forward with that. But back to the markets, there are a couple of stocks that we wish to flag off. And first up, what we have seen is stocks like Alibaba that has declined over 10%, wherein the company did come out with a kind of an investment in AI and cloud investments over the next 3 years, ranging to $53 billion. And that did raise some profitability concerns for the investors. Other than that, it was Berkshire Hathaway. We know the commentary as well as the kind of strong operating cash flows by the company. It was a 4% jump for this particular counter, but Nvidia was the stock that was seen to have a decline of over 2% just ahead of its profit report. So that was the kind of cues we are getting from the US market itself, Shansi. But what else?
Well, absolutely. When you take a look at crude, very interesting cues coming in from there as well, because, when you take a look at the factors, though, there's not much that has really changed when it comes to crude. There's not much in terms of a change coming in, but when you take a look at the prices, though, on Monday, they settled higher. You do have fresh US sanctions on Iran that are under the spotlight at this point. A commitment to compensate for overproduction by Iraq is also something that added to concerns of near-term supply tightness. Now, worries of a supply glut is also something that has been in the focus. So there's been a little bit of market recovery from some of Friday's steep losses that we're seeing coming in. Now, Brent crude futures, of course, settled up 35 cents, so just about 0.5% there, about $74 a barrel is the kind of level that you're looking at for Brent crude. When you take a look at US WTI, just a 30-cent gain or 0.4% uptick coming in. $70 is the kind of level that US WTI was also maintaining. Now, on Friday, of course, you did have Brent that notched its lowest close since February 6th, while WTI then that had its lowest settlement so far this year. So largely, those are the kind of factors that you're seeing coming in. Of course, March Brent futures at the highest since February 11th also, like I mentioned. So some strength returning back to the oil prices is something that you're seeing right now, especially with lots of concerns that still sort of remain, because you do have high US stockpiles that will continue to remain in the spotlight.